It's time for end of day video, and as you can see, we got the windshield in. Didn't give us too much trouble. Got the trim piece in. After we did that, I put the door weather strips in. Unfortunately, tan as a weather strip is no longer available. You have to either use chestnut or biscuit. And I opted for the biscuit. And while I was doing that, my brother broke out the buffing wheel and he started polishing up the stainless steel trim. He's got a couple of them over here that he's already done. They pretty much look like new. So yeah, that'll really be some bling for the car. And that was about it for today. Later.